Hello and welcome to DsLTC.net, Dominance and Submission for the Long-Term Committed Relationship. We're a website dedicated to those trying to make the transition of a long-term married or committed relationship over to a power exchange, dominance, and submission relationship. The vast majority of our members have been married or in their relationship for a number of years, if not decades. And we all are working at making that transition and finding a different way to end all the fighting and the struggles within our relationships, and our focus is on maintaining our relationship over the long term. This website is committed to a number of the DS fundamentals, but primarily to that of communication and trust. I'd like to welcome you to our website. My username is Hunter, and the other admins are Sir, Ren, and MLT. We also have a number of other hostesses and hosts who can help you work your way through the website, and if you have any questions you can reach out to them in chat or through the forums. This video is going to walk you through some of the aspects of DsLTC and how it is used and how you can get the most out of it. So with that, let's jump right into it. The first aspect of DsLTC that most people come for is the information in the blogs. If you go up to the top of the website, there is the DS blogs, and you can search this by topics, by authors, and then there's some support documents that are referred to throughout the blogs and websites. If you go in, and we'll start in beginning because that's why most people are watching this video, they're new to the website, you'll actually find a number of blogs that have been added to the website that walk you through some of the different aspects of the website or of DS and what it means to people. To go into a blog, find the topic you'd like to discuss, click on the blog, and it will actually open in a full screen viewer. From here you can go through and read, leave comments, and see what other people have said about that topic. You also can go through on specific elements such as dynamics, the relationship back and forth, training elements of training both the dominant and the submissive, as well as different ideas for scenes, play, or product reviews. There's also some blog posts that are available to the public. Feel free to search around within these and see what different people say about different aspects of DS. There's also a number of guest blogs that we have added based upon our other users who have come back and asked to post on a topic, or we've asked them from a forum post to convert it into a blog post. Speaking of forums, you can go up to the top and there are 5 different forum pages. You can go to introductions, and we encourage everyone to go out and add an introduction so that others can get to know them better, and as well as you can make contacts with other people. To add a forum post, go out and click to add a new discussion. This will open a panel where you can go in and say, this is a test new discussion or an introduction of yourself, and you can add comments and post down below. While we're inside the forums, let me show you some of the different aspects of what you can do. If you would like to add a photo or an image upload, click here, and this will actually open up a browser where you can browse the server and upload information. Just be aware, whatever you upload will be viewable by anyone who is registered on the website, as well as they will be able to download that link back to their own computer. So be mindful of what you are posting, and please do not post anything that you would not want out of the general public or that is illegal. Once you finish that, you can add some tags. You can subscribe to get emails back if somebody responds to your post, and then you can click New Discussion to add that discussion to the website. If you'd like to go in and add a comment to somebody else's forum post, just go ahead and click on that link. It will open the page. You'll be able to see their post, as well as you'll be able to see what other people have replied to that post. You can reply to a reply, or you can reply to the original repost by adding a comment. If you have any questions with the forums, or you want additional information on how to use it, feel free to send us a notice through the support page on the website. Once we leave the forums, we'll go over and talk about editing your profile. If you go back to the home page or the DS blog page, you'll notice that there's a tab over on the right hand side that says Edit Profile. If you click this, it will pop out and it will enable you to change your avatar as well as change your display name. A number of people accidentally use their real name when they first join the website, and this enables you to change it to a more anonymous name and modify your picture or avatar that appears at the top of the screen as well as on your posts. To close that panel, just click on the Edit Profile and the panel will slide back in. For chat rooms, we actually have 3 different chat rooms, but they're not available to everyone. There's General Chat, and if you click the tab for General Chat, it will open a chat window where you can actually go in and view the chat over the day. To put the chat window back, click the X and your tab will reappear. Most everyone will have the General tab as well as the Sub or DOM Chat tab. The Chat tab for General Chat is available to everyone. The Sub Chat and DOM Chat are only available based upon your selection when you first registered with the website, and you generally will only have one of these. As an administrator, needless to say, I see both. But the chat tabs work essentially the same regardless of the tab. When I go into the General Chat, I can click and I can put in a note. As well as I can add an emoji to it. And there's a large list of emojis. Let's look for one that fits with good morning to everybody. We'll send everybody a hug. And then I can either hit enter or I can click the up arrow to send that tab. And you see it appears in the chat list. Chat is pretty straightforward. If I click my X, once again my tab goes down. I can open up Dominant Chat and see Sir has been out here playing with the new chat. But that's the general idea of how the chat works. Same thing for the submissive chat. I can take this window and I can grow the window, and it will resize the chat within the window. We currently are working to get these elevator bars removed, but that will take us probably a little bit of time. As well as chat through the tabs, you also can go to full screen chat. If you're primarily here chatting with someone, you can go up and select, we'll go to General Chat, and you can see it gives me a full page chat window where I see more of the content and you can see how we enter chat. It's the same window, it's just in a larger panel. If you're on mobile, this is probably the best way to go. The chat windows on mobile tend to float and take up a large section of the screen, so we may or may not be adding those to the mobile. At the current time they are available on mobile, but we're waiting to get feedback from users on if they really do like the tabs on mobile. So that pretty much is everything I wanted to cover as far as the how to use DsLTC in the website. One of the biggest things to getting the most out of DsLTC is to get involved. You're not alone in this journey, and there's a lot of information out here through the blogs and the forums that will help you through that journey. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Sir or myself, Hunter, as well as you can send in a support message that goes to all admins, and you can also connect with one of the hosts or hostesses through the chat. We hope that you enjoy your time on DsLTC, and we hope to meet you at one of our upcoming events. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon.